So I bought 5W30 engine oil for my car. You know, I was thinking it was the same as the others, but now I'm seeing right here. I was checking in the internet and I didn't see anyone using 5W30. So I came to check my manual. This is the 2008 Scion XD manual, and it's telling me 520 or 020, depends on your weather, you know, like Fahrenheit 60, so that would be 020. And when it's lower temperature, like below 0, is 520. So I'm guessing 520. Well, now it's winter time, so I think I'm gonna use 520. So there you have it, 520 or 020. Okay, to change the oil of this 2008 Scion XD, what you're gonna need is a jack stand, the jack, funnel. You're gonna use that at last. Some channel lock pliers, big. These are gonna be good, like for the end, like to remove the oil filter cap, plastic. Some rags. This is just, you know, recycle shirt, all the shirt. Some gloves if you don't wanna get your hands dirty. The recipient for the oil. The oil filter. I got this one, STP STM358. This is from AutoZone. They're not paying me for anything, so I'm not doing anything for them. Okay, this is just to show you how to do your own oil change. You need a ratchet and I don't know what number of socket, so let's find out. And so you need your oil, which I got. This is 520. This is just the basic oil. It's not even synthetic, so I don't really care. I'm just changing the oil, that's it. You gotta lift your car from the left side, and then if you're gonna go inside, you need to put the jack stand on there, okay, just to be working safe. And then when you get in, I'm thinking this is a size maybe 14, 15, I'm not sure, but this thing I'm gonna try to remove with the channel locks, okay. I got the tool that locks this thing and can take it off with the ratchet. I'm gonna show you, but I'm gonna find out what this is right now. But then if that doesn't work, I can use this thing. Do you see? This is to remove oil filter caps. This thing opens, right? And then this thing only locks in one place. Let's say if you like lock it right here, like if you lock it right here, let's say you open it, right? You open it and then you put it on the thing, and then we're taking it out, this thing closes. You see, to the right opens and to the left closes. So when you put it on the thing and you try to remove it, this thing actually takes it out. So this is optional. Okay guys, so I found out that's number 14 millimeters. My pan is already down there ready. And what you need to do also is open your car, open the hood, open the hood, okay, and then leave it open. After you leave it open, remove your thing right here. Remove this thing, okay? So I can breathe. If you don't feel too secure about like, let's say that getting into there, put it aside, and you can use your funnel. Like if something gets in there, you'll be sure it's not gonna go all the way in, right? Okay. Or you can put your cover right there. I'm sure nothing is gonna go in there, but it's gonna breathe. Okay, so it's breathing now. Let's put this thing down there, and this. Okay, let's try to remove it, man. Ooh, okay, it got loosened. I don't even know how long from the last time the other people did the oil change, but I think it was supposedly they change it every 3,000 miles. I already got it like 3,000 miles more. And okay, so to do here right this, you can, what you can do is lift this up and then remove it, and then you remove your bolt quickly, and then you can drop it down there. My hand didn't get dirty. That's good, that's good. And then you just let it drip, and that's why you use gloves, right? So as you can see, that thing looks like kind of black, like really black. So it seems to be working fine. I'm showing you real time, okay guys? So you don't think like, oh, you didn't teach everything. So look at this thing, okay? This thing has a copper thing right here. I think that's good, that's enough. So let's put this thing right here. Let the thing strip off. Clean your hand, clean your bolt with the rags that you have, and I'll show you what to do next. So after this thing is done, it's dry, you can put this thing back, put that thing back, okay? Clean it. You can put this aside so it's not in your way. Oh man, come on, move. Wait until you move. Okay, there you go. Your hand is not that dirty. And you put this thing in reverse, pull it back. Okay. Okay, so just to be sure, be clear, this is a 3/8, okay? This is not a 1/2 inch. We are not doing suspension working here. I'm not a mechanic. I'm just you know, I don't want you to do any mistake, and don't over tighten neither. So that thing is done, okay? This is done. Now we're going to do the oil filter. To do that, you can do it 3 ways, okay? I'm gonna show you 2 tools. This is for special for filters, like for filters. This is just a channel lock, like channel lock, and this is for filters too. This is the way it works. You see, when you turn it to the right, this thing closes. So first one, I want to show you with this. Let's see if it works, because maybe you don't have this tool. Maybe it doesn't work, maybe. So okay, Okay, there we go. Look, so you lock it in place and then you turn to the left. Holy cow, this is so tight in. Okay, no problem, let's try to do it. Okay, so you try to remove it and there we go. You see, I had to put a lot of pressure. You saw it, right? Okay, so let's put it back so you can see how this works. Okay, so after that one you can use your channel lock pliers. If you don't have, you gotta have them big enough. So the way this thing works is you put it in and then you come all the way over here outside and then you push over there. So I don't know if you could see that was over tightened. Okay guys, so for the last one I'm gonna show you the other one. Okay, so this one you put it in your thing. If it doesn't go all the way in, you can try to open this thing. Push this thing in. It doesn't even go in all the way. Okay, so but anyway, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna teach you. I already show you the other one. So this one goes like that. Look, so it goes like that. Okay. Oh man, nothing came out. So I'm gonna show you. Okay, so you put it there, right? And then you grab this thing. Okay, and then I don't know if you could see. So you turn to the right, and that thing to the left, I mean, and you see that thing gets stuck into the plastic. So when you turn in right, to the right, that thing gets stuck and it goes and it takes it out. You see, so this is like so you see what I'm saying, right? Like this one gets stuck. Like you open it a little bit. So this is the way it works. Look, you put one side and then the other one, and then if this thing locks right there, let's say right there, right? And then with this thing you come and you go like this, look, and you so this is a little bit difficult to use, but look, it's open. Once you put it open and it closes, once it closes you can use it. Look, just put it in, go to the left, go to the left, and it's taking it out, you see? Okay, there we go, it's going. So if this is just to remove it, okay? So take it off. I don't really know. It helps, this one helps, but the one after you get it loosened, let's say you're using this, so basically you just go like to the left, to the left, to the left, to the left, and oh my god, this thing is a little bit difficult, huh? But not a problem. So put this thing right here because the thing is gonna spill some oil. And yeah, so you can do with both hands. Oh, man, come on. Let me take you out. Oh. Take this out. do this, look. Hold it with one hand and you turn it to the left. You can turn it to the right, whichever direction you want. And then this, you put it inside your new thing and put it right there, sideways or whatever you want. Now this is the new one, okay? And this thing came to put over here on the side, so I'm gonna change that too. But first you gotta clean on the inside. If you have brake parts and cleaner, spray some. I don't have a brake parts and cleaner. The only thing I got is a throttle cleaner, so I'm gonna use that. It's not 100% clean, but it's better. And there's a tip that I want to show you. If you want to remove this thing right here, the rubber, at Harbor Freight they sell this big set. It's like for maybe $2, and you can get it. Like, this is gonna make your life easier. Look, you just put this thing inside and look, you just pull it out. You see, you don't need to be, this is easy. This is the old one, and let's put the new one right here. Man, I don't even know what I did, man. Okay. So put this thing back. This you guys already know that it's difficult to do things with one hand, right? Yeah, but I'm trying to do it because okay. So with one hand you do this. This thing goes one way or what? How does this thing go? Let me see, let me check. So this thing is all the same. So you just put it in. I just replace it, okay? This is the new one. And then this thing doesn't have a way to go. It's the same. You just push it in. That's it. You see? It doesn't go any more than that. After you got it like this, that's it. That's all you gotta do. Okay guys, so a tip that always, I think almost in every video when replacing an oil filter you're gonna see is putting some oil on the rubber, the new rubber that you install, because I think that way it doesn't break when you install it, okay? So just making sure this is ready to put in. You can grab your rack and go inside here. You can go inside here and clean all the edge. Shoot, what I'm doing. Holy shit, this thing came into the oil. Okay, no problem. So you clean it now, maybe not 100%, but okay, there we go. Okay, so let's put this thing back inside. So you just put it in take a flush. There we go, okay. And then when you hand, you can tighten it. If you notice, I'm all the way out here. My hand is just okay, so that's all I can do right now to put the thing in. Okay, so let's push this oil out of the way, and then okay, we can, so if you have the channel lock and that's the only thing that you can use, you can use it. Look, channel lock, okay, channel lock. So this thing is difficult to do with one hand. Okay, so you grab, oh shoot, it's the other way. So you can, I'm teaching you with this thing, okay? But you can do it with man, come on. You can do it like this, like this, like this. Oh man, come on. I'm telling you, man, this is difficult to do, to record with one hand, man. Okay, I'm showing you with the plier, with the channel locks. But if you have the other tool, do it with the other tool, because it's easier. There you go, you see, that's the most that I can get it to get it tight, but it's already at the end. So you make it tight, that's it, okay? Nothing else. Okay, there we go. Done. Now all left there is to do is to put the oil up there, and that's it, my friends. I really hope this helps someone. Like I told you, I think the best option to take this out is this plier for oil filters, because when you put it in, it's like it goes in and you can move it like that, you see. So there we go. Okay, we put everything back on there. Take out, put the thing up, take out the jack stand, put the thing down. This thing will recycle later, but now what's left to do is move the thing. So okay, so now let's put the oil in, okay? And I'm not sure how much it goes in, but right here someone already did it before. It says 4.4 quarters of oil. Maybe you don't see it right, but I'm gonna put 4.5. No, I think 520. Okay, take it, open this thing up, punch into it, remove this thing from here, and then we are ready to put it all in. And right here it says this is 5 quarters, so I'm gonna do like maybe until 1, and then maybe half. 1, maybe half. So I'm gonna do something else. Maybe you guys don't know, never do it, but I do it. I got some Marbles mystery oil, and every time I do some oil change, I put some of it on the inside of my engine. You can put some in your engine, and you can put some in your gas tank. I'm gonna go fill it up with gasoline. So there we go. So I'm ready to put the four quarters. Shoot. It's difficult to do with one hand, man. Okay. So let's try and do it. Man, how difficult this thing is to do like this way. Okay, let's put 4 quarters. 4 quarters in there. This is 520 oil, okay? So that's why you need a funnel, because that thing is like there inside. Like, so just put little by little. Oh man, what am I doing? So I think I'm almost on 4 quarters, 1 quarter over here, and let's see. That thing is right here, so that's 1 quarter. I already put 1, 2, 3, 4. I already put 4 quarters, and a little bit of this thing. So I'm just gonna put maybe a little bit more to this line. There we go. Okay, that's 4 quarters, maybe a quarter from here and a quarter from here. Let's put this thing back. Now another thing that I want to show you guys. It's this thing, okay? This thing is fine, that's fine, it went all the way in. This thing, when you take it out, you clean it. Check this out, okay? My oil stick doesn't have a rubber that goes in here. So I have rubbers and I'm gonna put it in, just that's so you can check your car too, because you know I'm gonna do that now before checking the oil. What? O-ring assortment. So one of these is gonna fit on that thing, okay? So you gotta look for it. I don't know which one it is, so I gotta guess. If I'm guessing right, maybe this one. I don't know what number that is. Let's take it out of this thing. Now let's try to put it in. Okay, guys, and the way to do that is put it all the way over here, go all the way over here, and then here, here. I'll just go. I'll just go in. You know, just push it in. That's it. Okay. So I'm guessing this is a little bit too big, but I hope you get the idea what I'm trying to tell you. Okay. So this goes in, and this lags. Okay, inside, and as you can see, this is too big, and if I push it right now, it's not gonna go in. So I need to put something smaller, you see? Okay, so take this out, clean this thing up, remove this thing, which, okay. And let's try to find a smaller one. Which I know I got here, look. I got the smaller one. This one is the smaller one. Okay guys, so we got it out of the bag, and this is too small. So the same procedure, whatever. I don't even know how to speak English. It don't matter, man. So this thing, push it all the way over here inside. This is gonna be almost a perfect fit. So from here, just go in and try to push it in. And as you can, okay, there we go. Okay, there you see, perfect fit for here. And then you go in. Okay, there we go. Let's check this out. Ooh, perfect. Do you see what I'm talking about? There we go. So when you're checking that out, you should be sure of this thing. That's a seal, you know, like nothing comes in, nothing comes out, not air, not nothing. So check your oil, and mine appears to be maybe good, maybe a little bit high, not sure. Let's see again. Let's go back inside and check it out. So mine appears to be halfway. Man, I can't see. I'm gonna check that out again. So I can't see very well. I think I'm a little bit high, and I just put 4/4. It's clean now. You can't see nothing. Let's put it back in, put back out. So apparently, I'm not sure where I am. I'm just gonna. Okay, guys. So I think I'm halfway, like between the two lines. I'm guessing that's okay. I'm just gonna leave it like that. So you do the same for your tank, and remember, be sure to have this. Put it back in, because when it goes in, it doesn't move, and it's good. After here, remove this thing, put your cap back, and you can start your engine to see how it feels, how it sounds. Remember, recycle your oil, and that'll be all. Okay, that'll be all, my friends. I hope this helps someone. And just to be clear, no one pays me to do this. I don't have any sponsor nor anybody that pays me for this. These are my own cars, and you know, when you have your own car, you can mess with your own car. All the mechanic works I do on my car. I'm not a mechanic. I'm not a professional mechanic. I'm just a regular guy, DIY guy. No, DIY guy. And you know, anybody can do this, like an oil change. Just get some tools, and if you are a mechanic, then you must have all the tools to do this. And if you have some tips for us, that'll be good. And enjoy your day, and thank you for watching this video and giving it a like, or your comments too. Bye.